Okay, folks, it's your dude here once again from What You Think, coming to find out what you think. And I got an article here for you today from The Cool Down, written by Mike Taylor. State's first of its kind energy project reaches momentous milestone. It can be used whether or not the sun is shining. A Florida energy project reached a major milestone in October, the production of clean hydrogen. The Florida Power and Light Cavendish Next Gen Hydrogen Hub is set to use water or solar energy to help the company explore using clean hydrogen to offset the use of natural gas to run a traditional power plant. Next Era Energy stated in a news release calling it the state's first of its kind clean hydrogen pilot project. Some of the solar power will be sent to the grid for use by residents, while the rest will fuel hydrogen production equipment, including electrolyzers that split water into hydrogen and oxygen elements. The hydrogen is compressed, stored, and blended with natural gas. The oxygen is released into the air, and the hydrogen produces more electricity for the grid. Hydrogen is a no-brainer for Florida. Arif Sarwat, director of FPL, Florida International University Solar Research Center, said in the release, as the most abundant element on Earth, it can be stored as an energy source that can be used whether or not the sun is shining. FPL stated that it will use a 5% blend of hydrogen in one of these natural gas combustion turbines to help the company maximize learning opportunities as it continues to pursue its real zero goal of decarbonizing its power generation by 2045 at the least. What we discover could eventually help us hedge against the validity and cost of fuel. Tim Oliver, Vice President of Development, said, "This is about creating more options for affordable and clean electricity in Florida. It's a small step in the potential move toward green hydrogen. In Texas, a mega facility for clean hydrogen could keep over 55 million tons of carbon pollution from being produced in its lifetime. In Wyoming, a coal plant is being transformed into a hydrogen producer. And Uzbekistan recently broke ground on Central Asia's first green hydrogen wind plant, the coolest development in regard to technology powered by the lightest chemical element may just be hydrogen fuel cell airplane. In March, a 40-seat jet flew for 15 minutes, perhaps marking the true start to the decarbonization of the global airline industry. Commercial flights could begin as soon as next year." And just like that, that's it for this one, folks. You gotta let me know what you think about what they're doing down there in Florida. It seems America's making some big moves, taking some big steps to clean the environment and create clean energy. But you gotta let me know what you think, folks. Chop it up in the comment section. Keep your head up, and as always, stay prayed up and keep pushing forward.